What would you advise for the organizations handling these aircraft and such situations next time?
Now the thing why I take to say we don't know wetin happen because we get different versions of wetin happen. Some say they say make the girl switch off phone. How switch off phone can't reach to the fight, to the drag person? If not the story way they trend na him we hear, we don't know until they reach court to the lawyers go.
They go put mouth.
Then go put mouth.
Yeah.
You because of your image, because of your brand as an airline, it could have been handled better. I believe that you shouldn't have stopped her from disembarking on that aircraft. Yes. You should have called the security trailer, arrest her. Security can pick her up. So that it won't bring the airline into all this. Before you work for airport, aviation dey sensitive.
Yes.
Now human life you won't go hand. In fact, the training for aviation now in serious pass for the whole world. They not take training of vex. You can't pull a lady
just like that.
Like that. Whatever the offense, there are rules on how to do things. The minister don't talk, say their investigation they go on. When they leave that kind video to the public, now no they get shame. Yes, it's bad. But not to strip her of her dignity, not to debase her as a woman.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
He won't take and block plane.
Which can be said to be an act of terrorism itself.
If na obodo Nigeria, you go down. This one where we they talk now. From there, then go carry and go detention. From there, go court
straight. Like they did to this woman.
In fact, the system suddenly work in the case of this woman because maybe the woman no get anybody.
He said the system.
I like that.
The system come fast. So in fact, me I never see how this system come fast. The thing happen for Sunday afternoon.
Okay.
By Monday morning, kiri. Wait, no. Key person, not be assault.
But sir, what about the place of the unruly passengers? We get them. Unruly passengers that are just difficult.
Yes. We get them. You know, say everybody get waiting, do am for house before you can enter. But when you reach airport or any public place, behave yourself. That your problem, pocket am. Because everybody self get maybe now the boyfriend offender, or the husband annoy him, or the brother. Pocket that your anger inside your pocket.
Because there are rules and regulations.
You can't say because you dey angry, you begin slap people. Good. They know they do things like that. And she begin do karate self. I see the video. And I begin say, if in boyfriend self go, they fear to the near am because he go beat am well. So that gets strong.
So the way it is, with all things being equal, what would you advise for the organizations handling these aircraft and such situations next time?
You see, me I believe say that matter should have handled in a better way
by the airline. We don't know. That's the thing why I take to say we don't know wetin happen
because we get different versions of wetin happen. Some say they say make the girl switch off phone. How switch off phone can't reach to the fight, to the drag person? If not the story where they trend na him we hear, we don't know until they reach court to the lawyers go.
They go put mouth.
Then go put mouth. So I believe say them for handle am well. Not be every case they go police now. You because of your image, because of your brand as an airline.
Because the customer is always right.
At times, maybe say the customer right, make it slap me. At times, I feel no do anything, but at times, anger, they bump plenty picking. So, it could have been handled better. I believe that you shouldn't have stopped her from disembarking on that aircraft.
First mistake by the airlines.
Yes, you should have called the security trailer, arrest her at the baggage.
Okay, I feel hug you, but I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Or outside there, security can pick her up. So that's it won't bring the airline into all this. I don't understand.
But so does that mean the airline staff are not properly trained?
They train them, but they no take training now.
Hey,
Ogaba, I want to center because since yesterday they don't bomb my belly.
Training because if you go before you work for airport, aviation they sensitive.
Yes.
Now human life you won't go handle.
Of course.
So you are trained. In fact, the training for aviation now in serious pass for the whole world because it's not life you they handle.
That is it.
So if they went through training before they go get their so they no take training. They no take training of vex. You can't pull a lady
just like
that. Whatever the offense, there are rules on how to do things. So now that place I take blame the airline. And the minister don't talk say anybody will release that their investigation they go on will release that kind video to the public. Now no they get shame. Release wetin she do. Yes, it's bad. But not to strip her of her dignity. Not to debase her as a woman. Understand? Nobody does that now. When we know day for
even for jungle self, there's still small dignity.
Now, so me, I come from this angle because I don't argue for so long. Say a lot of us Nigerians will not like to take responsibility for anything what we do. Personally, I like as you talk. Say this matter would have been solved in a different way. We no go even put both the airline or some people. I know that fan. Have Nadende in charge of the security for airports, and they get all this our intercalling system from the plane to the I feel say the moment issue already they happen for inside the plane. They go don't make contact with the security, be on ground because something like this the day they happen.
Absolutely.
So if that failed, both the security, both pan also have to be responsible for some part of the problem. Leave the lady we don't do in karate for one side. Yes, everybody have to take part of this blame.
That is why I say everything they wrong. And everybody need. You see, we there for country where we say in other places then go come and say we apologize immediately, but nobody they ever
take
own
responsibility.
Accountability.
Thank you, my sister.
Nobody, and the system no go work like that. And that is why I like the JAMB registrar. When there was mistake, the man came up and said, see I own up to our error. Nobody has killed him. Nobody don't. Mistake will happen. But when you begin to push the blame, it's not me. It's this. We know this. We not be serious people for this country.
Okay, you talk about the place of arraignment.
Yes.
The way they fast remand and arraign that girl, that's an abuse on the judicial process because they don't even let get contact maybe lawyer or anybody or person. They just quickly remand them, arraign them.
No, they say she gets lawyer. When they
before they remand them,
before there was representation by
president representative.
Now so I hear. So they wouldn't have done that, and it's a bailable offense now.
Okay.
I believe by the time they perfect the bail
condition,
but the thing where me I no can understand this matter for October. Waiting now.
Oh, they carry the matter go October.
Now October then go hear the case now. Matter way happen.
So she's going to be there
for 2 months.
2 months now. It's to me I know they shook mouth for judicial matter because I know be lawyer. But at times when you look things with your own layman eye, you go look say
common sense supposed to be here now.
Common sense
now 2 months. Waiting they do there for 2 months
now.
Bail, once she perfects her bail now, she no keep person now. It's not a murder case now, it's a civil case. Even a criminal matter, not supposed they like that. And that is why you get point where you talk, say, the judicial system, we need to look into this. And they plead with the minister, the Attorney General of the Federation. I beg, I'm not saying the lady they right. I no say the thing where she do. If we no good at all. But please, let's look into this matter. Why is she going to be kept there for 2 months?
And there's another person that just sat down.
And another person sat down. We can't give am
So
slap
human.
for wrist say masheru emo.
Don't be naughty.
Don't be naughty.
Don't do it next time.
That because an injustice to one is an injustice to all.
Everybody.
Exactly. So it's saying that because the girl no get anybody. And this yeye they roam, they still they threaten us.
Wait to Oga, I beg. You know, say, but it's not aviation sector. Una get age where person take they be cabin crew member, like air hostess and the rest.
She's of the opinion that the air hostess that was in this matter, it was too old. She should be old woman.
No,
they get age for that.
The older the better.
But do they have an age? Do they have like age where they say they recruit for this? Because every
you do it early so that you go there for the job for long. So then the advice say you do them early so that you can grow. Some fees spend like 20-30 years for the job.
Okay.
Wow.
So but the older you be, the more experience you.
But this one.
But you know, show.
No, this one try you. She didn't touch waiting I
from waiting you see, okay.
Yeah, she no touch. In fact, she said she was even saying, see, she's slapping me. But we don't know waiting happen.
Don't transpire before that time, yeah.
And you don't say some people feel inside you.
Can't play victim.
Yes,
Can't
they play victim. So anything feel happen.
Exactly.
So that is why, and I can't happy say NBA don't shook mouth for the matter.
Beautiful.
Say
Beautiful.
then go give am legal representation. They even yab airline operator say it be like say they don't take something.
They don't ginger them.
They don't ginger them. We come make them they talk.
Anyhow,
no supposed to they talk.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we go on, in case they listen, who they give us this confirmed matter talk now, Oga Wole Shadare, who has written a book, 100 Years of Aviation in Nigeria, History, Issues, and Perspectives. Oga, wetin prompt you to write this book?
This kind matter.
I
don't even know say it go happen. But we don't dey read am for Obodo Ibo and sometimes for Nigeria. Make I give you one example. Wetin happen. To tell you say the thing wey K1 do and this lady no be say I never see am before.
Okay.
They happen. If you get one video, maybe if I get time, I go show you. That aircraft was taken off from Europe to South America. Now, little argument happened between you put your bag here.
Yeah, no, now my bag here.
You can't see they turned the aircraft into boxing ring.
Bam.
Real fight though. The captain had to make emergency landing in the next nearest airport and that matter then go handle am well. We no hear about that matter again.
Wow.
Apart from the fact say we see the video where
they blow themselves and they were me there.
Yes, they were me
wow.
there. In fact, commotion inside that aircraft. So that is why I say the airline handle the thing. We don't even hear the matter. They handle the matter because the man do what he supposed to do. Land in the nearest airport to solve and we just call security. In fact, you don't call them as he was going there. Some people they here we won't turn this place.
Once I land, come pack them.
And security go come. They know they waste time now. Then go just carry you. This one where we see the back K1 for Oga commode there now.
They don't carry them. They suppose
they go bundle you like this. And you go leave the place. But the thing where that pilot do self, na bad thing no.
For that K1 one.
Yes, so that woman won't keep person no.
Wow.
Not be only K1 he won't buy now.
Everybody.
And the aviation regulation no allow that at all. So those are the things where they inside we talk about regulation, how because they can't be in any place where you dey, there must be rule. If not be rule, we fit turn this place into table tennis.
Yeah, country where no get law, no get offense.
That is why we get laws where they govern every organization, every sector. So we also look at airport where then they build. State governors go they build airports. Airports were no necessary. Some necessary, but na to chop money. You know, airports na capital intensive.
Na heavy money.
If in fact, if you build and say na 100 billion, you build them.
Wow.
Nobody go ask you
because of equipment and all this.
They don't see them. The thing no fit pass maybe 30 billion. But nobody go query. So that is why they are understand. And again, now political. Okay, we have one airport for Kebbi. About 12-15 years ago, I go that airport when they open them. Only 2 flights or 3 flights they land there
in a day.
In fact, they no get money to maintain. It's just waste
project.
Waste project. They plenty. You will see them. One they built for Baboni Ibom. They start one for Osun that time. I'm not gonna mention his name. Build one there. Waiting, you need airport for Osun for.
They want a status for the state.
That money they supposed they can do the road. You don't go Oshogbo to Ekiti. Johnny will go take you like 1.5 hours. If it take you like 5 hours.
150.
Do the road. Who won't fly? Yeah. One they built for Ekiti. Where they don't come. How many fly they go there? They built for Ebonyi. Who they go there? Ebonyi. Anambra won't good. Because you know this our Anambra people, they sabi do business well.
Business always on the move.
They are always on the move. So, but you get one for Asaba. We be saying that the bridge divide them. Now the bridge divide them. Asaba, Onitsha, and Delta.
Just bridge.
Bridge.
I think that
in fact, that one where they build now, the two of them no can they make money again.
They don't cast each other.
So there are plenty like that. About 30 airports where we get for Nigeria. Only 4 they viable.
Out of about 30.
Lagos.
1.
Abuja.
2.
Port Harcourt.
3.
Kano.
Oto.
Maybe Owerri. Maybe make it we even do 5.
Out of 30.
It's
still fail.
In fact, Lagos own. They generate 60% of the entire revenue. So waiting Lagos they generate, because if you build airport, waiting then they do, then go build the airport, can't give am to government. Say me I don't chop my money. Government we are wrong, but government no go abandon them now because now security
risk.
Yes, because people feel fly into the place and cause wahala. Government go put people there, be paying for
overhead costs.
Where no flight, you know, they generate anything. No. So we
abandoned equipment, millions of naira,
and we are still building. In fact, it go reach time where we say every state go get like 1 or 2. Yes, it's going now. Maybe we don't get 30 already.
I never knew we had up to 30 airports in this country.
I think it's even more than that. 30. So 30 or 31.
What is there nobody where they curtail them? Is it a state affair? Is it a federal affair?
You can't curtail them because they also have the right under their law to build. But what they do is that they cannot manage. They will hand it over to government.
They build and abandon.
You are stretching the government resources of government already. You are overstretching it, and that is why the government say we don't tire. We want concession.
Okay.
We not do again. We not go fit put money for where no they get money. So we they look for people who go run now, make money and give us our own little money.
Wow.
So the book also look at a lot of airlines. In the last 30 years, we don't get almost 100 airlines. We don't close shop. Waiting they make them close shop on money. Our airline won't survive without finance. It's not possible now. If you aviation na dollar,
no be
naira. The airlines they make revenue in naira, but they are spending in dollars. They are not making money. Not that they are not making money, but the margin they very small. But most of them no come they make money because they use that airline for another thing. They just can't cover face. They get waiting, then they do. And those where they make money too go begin live big lifestyle. And that is why I like the value jet man. Kunle Shoname do small is running a very efficient airline.
Wow.
Himself with Boyo. These two guys are running. You don't need to go everywhere because you are an airline. You are losing money. you go to Sokoto, you go to. I'm not saying they should not go there, but which kind of equipment una they use? Una go they use equipment we be say they guzzle fuel, and fuel be about they take about 40% of airlines revenue. Why are you not using fuel efficient small
jets instead of large ones?
Large one from here for 40 minutes journey.
That will not go even full.
The plane where then they even use for Lagos Abuja. Now in then they take do Lagos to Cairo, Lagos to Nairobi.
That brings me up with this matter, Organo Vest. I can't enjoy you. Be like say you can't give us sermon. The state of most of the aircraft in Nigeria. Why is it that there's always a problem? They are always old, obsolete. Most of them they don't abandon themselves.
No, you know what thing happen? Age of aircraft no matter. No, aircrafts are built to last for 30, 40 years, but it gets problem. The problem be say, okay, you go buy second-hand car or third-hand car.
Nigerian use.
You don't the person who use and say don't scatter the car. You go buy them. You go they go mechanic every time.
He sure die.
You spend more money.
He sure die.
But if you buy Tokumbo, we clean or Tiaroba,
rest of mind.
In fact, for 1 year you no go mechanic. So it is about cost. But to buy those aircraft, no be one no. You won't go buy new aircraft of 2 years. We be say one self now about $100 million.
I see as a hook.
Where
fairly use 100 million.
Just like maybe 1.5 years. 1.5 years. At that amount. So like where you want to get the money now?
How many years you go use before you get the money back?
Not even that. The bank where they give you money go give you 35% interest rate. No business can survive on 35% interest rate except if they do yahoo yahoo. I'm sorry to use that word.
No.
Understand?
When they talk.
So how are you going to be profitable? You cannot. So you go for the relatively older aircraft. There's nothing wrong with them. But the only difference is that your maintenance will be frequent and maintenance no cheap. If you want to change one engine, now $4 million or $2 million, that's about more than 3 billion naira or 4 billion for one engine. You go pay staff, you go buy fuel, you go do catering inside aircraft, come cheap. You go
baggage handlers.
You go they pay bank your interest 35%, or if they want to be good to you, maybe they will do it 20%. So how do you want to be profitable? Wow. And most of these guys too, waiting then go come they live large.
They buy Rolls Royce.
They fly
up and down.
In fact, the man will get money, Richard Branson, say the easiest way for a billionaire to become a millionaire is to go into airline business. He get prestige. Airline.
I get airline.
Everybody, the presidency go call you, say, I get people, I beg, let me carry them or I'll pay you and things like that. You can't they do this business, you can't they say you they do charity, you they go pick Nigerians from South Africa and this thing. What concerns you? You are not a charity organization now. You are in business. And this is the service that can be paid for. But you just they sure say you get money, you be
big man.
You be big man. You love Nigeria.
Nigeria stranded.
No. It's not his responsibility.
It was
that's why they say now you are not an NGO.
No, it's not an NGO.
Yes.
Okay, why has Richard Branson is one of the biggest philanthropists? Yes. You will not do that now. Airline business is not something where
it's not wired for that.
Yes, it has to be paid for. Why Nigeria Airways collapse? Because then go get free ticket, then go do this. The money where the ticket where then said, they no go put the money for government. Everybody
corruption.
Most of them build houses. Most of them abroad. Most of them send their children abroad through the proceeds of how the airline go survive.
Oga, this matter wey dey talk, I swear, be like say make you no leave us because I can't dey learn some new things. That na why we go dey ask question again.
So those things dey inside
the book. 100 years of aviation in Nigeria.
How aviation start for Nigeria in 1925 in Kano. That was the first time aeroplane go land for na field no be we never get airport that time. The aircraft we took like from UK it took like in fact it took like almost 2 weeks. So you know those aircraft when they do 2 hours or 3 hours then go land somewhere. In fact it first land for whether Cairo he land or Algeria. They come. They can't land another Niger. They can't enter Kano.
Where would they take 7 hours? They do now.
So that Kano now became as our start point, the first aircraft that landed in Nigeria. That is in 1925 November, and that is where aviation started from. So we started building airport. We have policy on how to build airport. That's why this Muritala airport, all these airports came. Even Muritala was built in 90s. So wetin we dey use now, small thing we dey use before we now built that Muritala Mohammed International Airport in 1979.
Oga, I swear to God, if I not careful, we go there here till 7 o'clock. But before we let you go, sir, why is it I feel embarrassed when I see airlines of other African countries, Ghana Airways, Ethiopia Airways, and Nigeria, we seem to have a problem with a national carrier.
In fact, now the thing where I talk for na sister radio one time, I say, me self, I dey cover my face.
In shame. It's sad.
But you no go blame people wey say, we no need national carrier. We no need national carrier because the Nigeria Airways wey we run, government no sabi manage things. But I can't ask them this question. I say Ethiopian airline will be the most successful airline in Nigeria and in Africa. Yes. In fact, Ethiopia can rival British Airways. Ethiopia go rival KLM. In fact, the type of aircraft they are where then they buy.
Well, yeah, as state of the art.
In fact, when you dey inside this aircraft, you go be like saying a heaven you dey.
Ethiopia Airline.
Now their oil be that too, but they manage them. Let me even tell you, they are even building another airport at the cost of $10 billion. This airport will be the best airport in Africa. It will beat that of Cape Town and Joburg or Cairo. These are people where they think. You go can't say because we know run something well, we go come fold our hand. If our domestic airline, then they shame us. Then go suppose depart 8 o'clock. The aircraft no go leave until 4 p.m. It don't become even, we don't even take them as an
it's a norm. It's a norm
now. And then CA don't talk. But if you do so much thing to them, then go say, they no operate again.
They go on strike.
You say, I go trek from here to Abuja. We get law, but we know they follow her. Not be some people say, make somebody no fly again. Is that a good one? So those are the things where we just look and say, not only Ethiopian Airline, look at Egypt Air.
Yeah, Egypt Air.
Look at Kenya Airways. These are airlines doing well and owned 100% by government. Why are we no fee own one? The one way we won't do the other time, they want shop money. The thing dabaru. Now, since 20 years ago, we don't talk. Wetin do us? Why are we like this?
Very sad.
Why are we like this? Yes, we give kundus to
Nari kundus.
Not kudos, kundus to Epis, but is operating beyond his capacity. He is doing well, but It cannot compete at
that level.
At that level.
In your upcoming airline.
Yes, and that is our pride. It shouldn't be. We are proud of him. He has done well for himself.
So, sir, no vessel. So, Air Peace, what is the arrangement? Is it Nigeria carrier, or it is owned by Nigerian, or what?
No, it's a private airline. Is a flag carrier. They carry flag of Nigeria.
You don't help them.
You just carry our flag to do. We get bilateral air services agreement over 75 where we no reciprocate. Because we not get capacity. Which airline go Ethiopia? Which airline go Amsterdam? We not get. They come here pack our money. Capital flight. We not they even. You see, if it be like say make me now. May God bless his soul or Kogan go enter ring with him.
You are finished.
I'm finished. I'm finished now. So you don't even have the critical mass to compete. And that is why we say we're looking for a national carrier or a national carrier, which will not be 100% funded by government, but government will be the driver. Because government coming into it will give it like a protection. Understand? So you and I can buy shares. That's what Kenya Airways, Egypt have done. Government owns it, but they have shares majority and sold others.
Public.
To public too. So if they sell that kind thing to you, sure you go want make the thing fail. When you know say your money dey inside. In fact, you go dey pray, you go dey on top of mat every Friday. They say God, Allah, I beg, no let this thing fail, because you know say your money dey. But if your money no dey, government thing no be anybody.
Anyhow, go sell the extra tire.
In fact,
sell the engines. We know they go anywhere.
We know they go anywhere.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we've been speaking with Oga Wole Shadare, and we time don't go well. I will say thank you, God bless you. We will expect you to come back very, very soon, sir. But before you go, what is your very quick one, sir? What is your word of advice for anybody traveling by air in Nigeria now with all this Quam 1, Quam 2, Quam 3?
No. The aviation is safe.
Okay. It still remains the safest mode of transportation.
Even in Nigeria is very, very safe. We get agency where we say aviation in Nigeria, aviation law. No, aviation no be Nigeria. Na international body. ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization. ICAO. Is a body of the United Nations, which Nigeria is a signatory. So they have a law that govern the thing wey happen here for aviation. Now, so you go see am for Canada. We are deriving our law. That is why the crew, Kwan, the crew, and of Value Jet, Discomfort, even Fan Security violated Annex 17 of ICAO Convention. That Annex 17 talks about how you handle passengers, how you deal with unruly passenger, and security. So we violated that, and that the reason where the minister vex say those two pilots suspend. You know, no serious. You not one key person for time.
I don't say it is against
the vex. That thing no get place for aviation. Vex, and you are the pilot. You were already disoriented. You acted unprofessionally. Before a pilot takes off for taxi, before a taxi go where he go, take flight, you will make sure that nothing
is around it.
Human being, object, obstacles, and people were still
there.
Make I tell you, now God save us and now God save Kwan. Maybe now something else we go to talk. If that aircraft to be Boeing 737,
with all those big engines,
or A320, where the engine no dey up top, from there it go suck all of them into then go be like mincemeat. If you go on internet, just Google sucking how aircraft suck human being. You no go even see the person na like sausage. So God saved us, and the whole world dey watch us. How we handle this matter. If not, then go come do audit for Nigeria. Then go say we no pass. And if we no pass, it has a lot of implications on your aviation industry. We don't lose category 1. We lost it 2, 3, 4 years ago. Wetin category 1 mean say we get time before. It's just like playing in the Premier League.
They can't give us relegation.
They can't put you for lower division.
The lower division.
So you don't come down.
So that means we are losing money. Some aircrafts cannot come here because we are not up to standard.
No, they can come because our laws, they are not required again because we have been downgraded.
Oh.
They can come. We cannot go. If we want to go, like if Airpeace want to go to US now, Airpeace cannot go with his aircraft. He has to go and lease aircraft or use a country where get category 1. Hey. 1, you are paying more. Your image is at stake. Understand? You can't go on your own.
What do you category 1 talk?
Very good. Category 1 be the body of law. Where be say before you carry aircraft to go America, you will be in line with the rules of FAA, Federal Aviation Administration of the United States. Now, it be the highest aviation body for America. We get ICAO, like I mentioned, that one is for the whole world. We take our rules from ICAO, but we can now build our own to say we want to go higher. Our rules are higher than ICAO. ICAO gives you benchmark that this is the rule. You can go higher, but you can't come lower.
Okay, Shadare, sadly enough that we are enjoying this, but we have to go because time don't blow well. We would like to say, before you go, do you have a social media handle where people can come and ask questions and things?
Yes, on Facebook, Wole Shadare on Facebook.
And the Shadare is SHADARE. It is not SATA.
Yes.
Okay, we are going. Go ahead.
On my WhatsApp number 080-230-67883.
And a lot of people we want to ask a lot of questions because of a lot of things that is happening in the aviation industry. Ladies and gentlemen, don't worry, we will bring Oga back very soon. The next time we Oga they come, now 2 full hours. We go take understand, because that is one sector a lot of people don't know anything about. And they don't know that is another money making venture place for this country as a whole. Oga, God bless you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Again, he just delivered us a wonderful book titled 100 Years of Aviation in Nigeria, History, Issues and Prospects. Don't go anywhere, ladies and gentlemen. We go for the top of the hour. When we come back, I'm going to fly back. I'm not even coming back because right now I'm going to category 1. In the meantime, in between time, ladies and gentlemen, more music.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.